Oh my gosh. Now I know pulling hair is no fun. It's not a fun Friday night for anybody, but this will save you hundreds of dollars on calling a plumber. Look at that. We have so much material that will come out of this drain. Chemical drain cleaners are only for kitchens and grease and food particles, soap scum, things like that. If it's hair and if the clog is in your bathroom, I'm telling you, it's hair, your slow shower drain, your slow bathtub drain, that needs a mechanical cleaner. You need a way to pull the hair out of that drain. These hair snake drain cleaner hair pullers, they are miracle workers. I found them in big box stores, local hardware stores, grocery stores, certainly on Amazon. By the way, in the video description and the pinned comment is the best deal I have found on Amazon. You can buy these quite inexpensively. No longer do you have to spend hundreds of dollars on calling a plumber. You can absolutely pull the hair out of your drains and get those bathroom tubs and showers draining fast. The secret to these drain hair cleaners, these hair snakes, if you will, are these amazing prongs. Look at these sharp edges. Notice they're only going one direction. They're facing backwards. That's going to enable you to insert down into the drain with no restriction. But then when you yank backwards, it's going to snag the hair and pull everything out of that drain, effectively cleaning your drain. These are quite inexpensive, super flexible, super lightweight. You don't have to remove any devices. You can keep it in place. This is a slender design that will fit into your drain. This happens to be a tub, but it will also work excellent on your showers. Get that sharp snake device in there. Those barbs will grab on tightly and securely. The convenient, easy pull handle here. If it gets stuck, just wiggle it back and forth. Oh my gosh. Now I know pulling hair is no fun. It's not a fun Friday night for anybody, but this will save you hundreds of dollars on calling a plumber. Look at that. We have so much material that will come out of this drain. Okay, we pulled a tremendous amount of hair out of there. The tub is draining great. That device costs $2.50 on Amazon with free shipping. We saved $250 on the plumbing call. We are back in business. So we weighed this amount of plastic in this empty jug. The jug is empty, it's just the plastic contents. And then we weighed one of the plastic drain cleaners. We've come up with the comparison that you can have 10 to 15 of these manufactured for every jug of chemical cleaner. Much better for the environment to switch to these all-purpose hair drain cleaners. So you start feeding that in, and again, if you angle it towards the back, you will get it in nice and deep. And you want to keep going as far as you can until you get it in long enough and you don't feel too much resistance. So this is a 20-inch cleaning device. We have it now down past the drain trap, right into the drain trap. And then you start retrieving it backwards, and those sharp prongs will grab any kind of obstruction, namely the hair in the drains, and that will save you a plumbing call. Look at that. Then you start pulling out the gunk and the hair. All right, guys, look in the video description for your Amazon link. They are 7 drain cleaners for $7. Click on that link. I receive a small commission. It does support me and the channel so we can continue to grow. Hey, you can do this yourself.